Hello and welcome to Easy Steps Cooking. Today I will show how I prepare this iced coffee cream. So this is a very easy recipe, and we need just 3 ingredients: the coffee, the sugar and the water. Then to decorate is optional. You can use the ingredients that you have or you like. And we will start. We will mix the water with the coffee and with the sugar. And if you use an electric mixer, it will be much faster. We will mix for about 2 or 3 minutes. You can appreciate that the color is changing. We need a white color, and the texture also is changing like a cream. This is the texture that we need, and the color, just like this. The coffee cream is ready. And now we're going to prepare the glasses. I will put this kind of cookie in the bottom. You can use the cookie that you like. Also with Oreo cookie is very tasty. Then I will put the coffee cream until the top, like this, and to decorate another cookie on the top. And I will use also these coffee beans and the cocoa powder. It's very easy to prepare, very tasty for these hot days. And we need now just 2 hours in the fridge, 1 or 2 hours in the fridge, and it will be ready to enjoy like a dessert, like a snack. And the coffee cream is ready. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe the channel to support. Thank you, and see you in next video.